Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to do audio ducking in CapCut. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now let's play the clip again and listen to what happens when the narration starts. Hey viewers, if you have ever wanted to build your own website but felt held, you'll notice that the background music is too loud, making it hard to hear the voice clearly. This is where audio ducking comes in. To fix this, we'll use keyframes to lower the music volume whenever someone is speaking. In your timeline, move to the point just before the narration begins. Select the music track and add a keyframe at the current volume level. Then, move slightly forward to where the voice actually starts. Here, just reduce the volume. Something like -30 decibel works well. Another keyframe will be added automatically. This creates a smooth transition where the music fades down as the voice comes in. When you play it back, hey viewers, if you have ever wanted to build your own website but felt held back by coding complexity or design skills, you'll hear that the voice is now clear, and the music sits nicely in the background instead of competing with it. You can repeat this technique throughout your project. Raise the music during silent moments, lower it when dialogue or narration begins, and that's it. So that's basically how you can audio ducking in CapCut. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.